Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Cancer. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings. Your person current feelings towards you Cancer. And your feelings towards them, and these energies might be vice versa, there may be reverse also, so it's up to you, it's your situation right now, you have to resonate it. So let's see, in my way, this is your person current feelings and these yours. Nine of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Knight of Swords and Knight of Cups. These are your person current feelings towards you and yours towards them. Three of Cups, Four of Cups, lot of water energies here, the Moon, and Six of Wands. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. I think your person want to offer stability to this connection. Definitely, he want to offer this cup of love to you. It is coming, but it is slow, and they want to rush in very fast. But first they are slow, but later on that will pick up like this, and they have emotions for you, and they are independent also. I think they are financially abundant, I am getting here. Definitely they want to offer long-term commitment, and they want to rush in you. And your feelings towards them, definitely you could be Pisces, or your person could be, you want celebration with you, with this person, and you want success with this person. I think you feel sad for the missed opportunity with this person in past, but right now you don't want to miss this opportunity, you want the celebration with this person. And Moon, I think some issues are going between both of you. I think your person hides something from you, or you could be hide something from your person, but you both want this connection, and you both want to celebrate this connection. So let's see mutual energies between both of you. Cancer, Seven of Swords, Seven of Cups. I think there is some sneaky energy, there is some manipulation energy, and Seven of Cups. I think one person have options in their life. That could be third party also, because Three of Cups sometimes it shows third party. I think that's why there is some sneak energy. I think your person hide about the third party situation from you. That is why that sneak energy, because they have options, or you may be fantasizing about them a lot. So let's see some more information about this connection, Cancer, from your side. Intensity, Knight of Wands, two times Knight of Wands, let it go, Eight of Cups, and the outcome, harmony. I think your person want to let go this connection at some point, but they didn't, because they want harmony in this connection and intensify Knight of Wands. I think you both are in same page. Knight of it is Knight of Swords, it is Knight of Wands. So almost same energy, and I think for this connection the outcome is harmony, Ten of Cups. I think this connection needs stability right now, because there is need stability, because that could be the reason could be third party. Whatever maybe, there is no stability between both of you. So that's why one person want to letting go, but they don't, because they can't let it go this connection. So I think there is stability is coming in this situation, but it will take time, because due to third party, whatever. For some only third party, not all. So these are the messages for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.